back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead for you. This one is from a well-known social media website that has like video sharing and hosting, Vimeo. They are hiring a support specialist too. Now, you can work in their New York office, or for the rest of the United States, this is a remote role. They are hiring throughout the United States only. Of course, if you're interested in applying, the link to this page to put that application in is always linked in the YouTube description box below this video. But this is going to be a non-phone customer service position. Vimeo's customer support team is searching for somebody who is hard working, who is technical and passionate about overseeing their support efforts. Now, they are specifically looking for somebody who has a consistent 5-day work schedule that includes one weekend day. So your daytime shift will either be Sunday through Thursday or Tuesday through Saturday. So make sure you're okay working at least one weekend day. But they are looking for somebody to deliver that high quality, timely responses to their support tickets submitted online by customers, troubleshooting the live product area. So troubleshooting like Vimeo live streams, webinars, all these different live streaming capabilities that Vimeo gives to their customers. When the customers are having problems using those, they'll submit a support ticket and you'll be working those support tickets. You'll collaborate with support teammates around the globe to help manage those ticket queues and troubleshoot issues reported by users as well as staff. You'll also be contributing to the support related documentation processes and workflows, thinking like helping write up those FAQs. You'll assist in tracking reporting on customer pain points, feature requests, and other feedback you get from the customers. Now, they are paying very well for this position and they don't require any kind of college degree. They're looking for someone who has 2 years in some kind of support or customer service role, someone who has experienced troubleshooting complex technical issues, someone who can understand the mechanics of live video delivery. Of course, you have to have a great written and spoken English communication skills, somebody who can work in a fast-paced environment and be a quick learner. But if that sounds like something that is perfect for you, they are paying anywhere from $54,000 a year for this position all the way up to $77,000 a year. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's absolutely okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.